So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the startup apps tab. It's now going to be showing us all the applications that start up automatically when our computer turns on. So for example, in my case, Microsoft Teams has been enabled, which means that when my computer turns on, Microsoft Teams will automatically turn on. And I don't want this, so I'm going to click on Microsoft Teams and then click on disable, which will now make the status disabled. So from now on, whenever I turn on my computer, Microsoft Teams will not automatically start up. You want to repeat this for the applications that you do not want to start up automatically when your computer turns on. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on change advanced power settings. And then once this comes up, you want to expand processor power management. Now you want to expand maximum processor state. You're going to change this number right here to 99. Make sure you have it on 99 and then click on OK. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now you're going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.